Hello, we are the Ascara Lab. In this tutorial, we will go over how to put together the FlyCam version 1 hardware. Before we begin, ensure you have access to all of the materials required for this build. Now, on to assembly. Direct yourself to the back of the 3D printer. First, unplug the machine. Then, turn it on and off to ensure energy is expelled. With scissors, you can cut the zip tie that may connect the cables with the back of the box. You may also cut the zip tie that connects the box to the filament wire using a razor. Now, we will disconnect the green cable and twist out the white filament wire using force by pushing down the black circle. Now we will move on to unscrewing the front two screws of the box using a 2.5 M Allen hex wrench. We will use the same wrench to unscrew the back bottom screws of the box. Remove the middle two wires from the green circuit, then move the box. Note, it is okay if the white part does not come off with the wire, as this will not affect future steps. If they are removed, know that the wires are now exposed in the green circuit, so they may prick you if you touch them. Remove the remaining two wires from the green circuit. Then, unscrew the 3 screws on the underside of the platform using a 2.5 M Allen hex wrench. If the green circuit falls out on its own, put it to the side. If not, pop it down or out and place to the side. Remove the 2 screws closest to the front of the platform using a 2.5 M Allen hex wrench. Hold the hot end in place, then continue to do this while removing the remaining 2 screws. This will ensure that it doesn't fall. Finally, after the screws are removed, place the hot end to the side. Prior to beginning this section of the build, please make sure that you have all of the required materials. We will now move on to how to remove the print bed from the stage of the 3D printer. To do this, you will twist off the 4 clamps that are on the print bed using a 2M L-shaped hex key, and then move them to the side. Once all of the clamps have been removed, we will move on to taking off the print bed from the stage of the 3D printer. Then we will add on our light pad to the stage. Following this, we will position the weld plate holder on top of the light pad. To secure the items onto the build, you will use 4 clamps and twist them on to each corner of the 3D printer stage. Now we will navigate to the back of the 3D printer, and we will locate the Z-axis end stop screws in the back of the printer. Using a 1M Phillip, you will hold the top of the screw in place while using pliers to twist the caps at the bottom off. Repeat this step on the second Z-axis end stop as well. Still looking at the back of the 3D printer, we will now add on the Z-stoppers. To do this, use an Allen hex to hold the top of the screw in place while twisting the Z-stoppers onto the bottom of the screw. Repeat this on the second Z-axis end stop as well. Add a washer onto an M312 screw. Do this for a total of 4 screws. Now we will attach the camera seat holder onto the 3D printer platform by screwing in the 4 previously assembled screws. Obtain your Pi camera located inside of the camera seat RoboCam attachment and insert the flex cable into the Pi CSI port. Then bring the flex cable into the hole at the back of the platform and pull it through. While the flex cable is being pulled through, you will simultaneously slide the camera seat holder into the camera seat. Now grab your Pi. Here we will use a Pi 3B. Using the flex cable that is connected to the camera, you will connect it to the Pi CSI port. You may add a placeholder well plate now if desired. Finally, you will attach the power source, monitor, mouse, portable drive, and 3D printer to your Pi. Congratulations, your FlyCam version 1 is good to go. For information on how to set up the software, please check out our FlyCam version 1 software tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoy using FlyCam.